Picture this, the entire universe suddenly within our grasp. The planets, stars, and galaxies, no longer light, years away, but just hours, minutes, or even seconds. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not just fantasy. It's the kind of idea that could rewrite everything we know about space, time, and reality itself. To understand what this means, let's start with the problem. Right now, the fastest thing in the universe is light. It zips through space at about 300,000 kilometers per second. At that speed, you could circle the Earth 7 times in 1 second. But even light isn't fast enough when you're talking about the vastness of space. The closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light years away. That means even light takes 4 years to get there. And humans? Forget it. With our current fastest spacecraft, it would take thousands of years. But let's change the rules. Let's say we figure out a way to move faster than light. Suddenly, Proxima Centauri is a weekend trip. Other galaxies, just a quick hop. The idea isn't just about speed, it's about collapsing distances. You're not traveling across space, you're bending it. Einstein said it's impossible. His theory of relativity claims nothing can move faster than light because it would take infinite energy. But theories are meant to be challenged, right? Enter the concept of warp drives. If you've watched shows like Star Trek, you've heard of them. A warp drive wouldn't technically break Einstein's rules. Instead of moving through space, it would distort space around you. Imagine stretching the space behind you and compressing the space in front. You're not moving faster than light. You're moving space itself. Sounds cool. It gets crazier. There's an idea called wormholes. Think of space as a giant piece of paper. If you fold that paper and poke a hole through the 2 ends, you create a shortcut. A wormhole could connect 2 faraway places instantly. No traveling, just stepping through. Of course, this is all theoretical, but the math checks out. Now, let's talk about what this means for humanity. If we could travel faster than light, the universe would become our backyard. Want to see the rings of Saturn up close? Done. Want to walk on a planet in another galaxy? Easy. But it's not just about sightseeing, it's about survival. Right now, all of humanity's eggs are in one fragile basket. Earth. What if something happens here? A giant asteroid, climate catastrophe, or some other disaster? Faster than light travel could be the key to spreading out, colonizing other worlds, and ensuring humanity's survival. It's like having backup copies of your most important files. Only this time, the files are billions of lives. But it's not all rainbows and galaxies. Faster than light travel could open up some serious problems. First, let's talk about time. When you approach the speed of light, weird things happen. Time slows down. If you're traveling faster than light, you might experience time going backward. You leave Earth, and by the time you arrive at your destination, maybe Earth hasn't even launched you yet. Mind-bending, right? And then there's the question of what's out there. The universe is massive, but it's also mysterious. If we're suddenly able to go anywhere, are we ready for what we might find? Other civilizations? New life forms? Or worse, something that doesn't want us showing up in their backyard? There's also the ethical question. Who gets to decide where we go and what we do? Does faster than light travel become a playground for the rich, a tool for governments, or something that benefits all of humanity? History has shown us that every new technology comes with power struggles, and this would be no different. But let's not get lost in the what-ifs. The truth is, faster than light travel could be the greatest adventure in human history. It's not just about exploring space. It's about exploring who we are. Could we handle the responsibility of being a species that can go anywhere, see anything, and maybe even change the course of time? The road to faster than light travel won't be easy. It'll take breakthroughs in physics, engineering, and ways of thinking we can't even imagine yet. But if humanity is good at one thing, it's dreaming big and chasing those dreams. The impossible has always been our favorite kind of challenge. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember, they're not just distant points of light, they're destinations. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day we could go there. The universe isn't waiting for us to catch up. It's daring us to try. If you loved this idea, hit that subscribe button and like the video.